Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a delightful day. So, I'm making some barbecue tofu. I'm going to go ahead and take my tofu out of the skillet. I like to make it a little crispy, so I fry it. You can always bake it if you don't want to eat too many fried foods. Let's see how we can do this. I probably need to get my tripod. Okay, we're just going to do that for now, so I can finish taking these out. I need 2 hands. I normally drain them on a paper towel, but I forgot to get some from the store while I was out a little earlier. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of the Slap Your Mama seasoning on them. I put a little bit on before I fried them as well, but I'm just going to top it off a little bit. And then I'm going to add my Primal Kitchen barbecue sauce. I need to put a little bit of liquid in there because there's not a lot of barbecue sauce left. So I'm going to get my white wine, my white cooking wine, and I'm going to pour that in the bottle, just a little bit. And give it a little shake. Let me put a little bit more. And give it another good shake. There we go. Okay, that's the end of that. And I'll just take my fork. So you can see I poured some barbecue. I'm going to take my fork and get the barbecue sauce on each piece of tofu. And there you are. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I don't know if you can see my dishes, but my dishes are clean. My dish rack is in the sink, and then over there is my production setup, so excuse the background. But anyway, I'm gonna add some sea salt to my salad. And a little pepper also. And then I'm going to add my simply dressed dressing to my wonderful salad, and I'll give you a close-up of my salad. Isn't she lovely? And here we are with our dressing. Okay, and our barbecue. And it is time to eat. Hope that this was helpful for those of you who may be in the mood for a little barbecue. Primal Kitchen has very simple ingredients, and typically no sugar or no salt added, but you want to read the labels to make sure. Again, I hope that this was helpful, and as always, I love y'all. Later. Mwah.